Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and I know what you guys are thinking. Unless you just read the title, then you probably aren't thinking anything. But I know you guys are probably like, Jay, I know you did not do a makeup look without us. The answer is yes and no. Okay, yes, I did do a makeup look without you guys. But no, I didn't leave you stranded. It's going to end up on my Instagram, which if you're not on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me. But let me just get this out the way. This makeup is not what this week is about. You guys have been asking to see it. You guys have been begging to see it. You guys have been like, wait, oh my gosh, I missed it. You gotta show it again. So this is going to be the week that you guys are all asking for and have been asking for. It is the week that I finally show you guys how I got to where I am at this current moment, and that is in the makeup room, which my bun is completely blocking the room part, but makeup room. So this week is going to be showing you guys the DIYs, the building, the before, the after, all that shazazz that got me to this current point in my new room, in my new space, in my new vibe, and all that good stuff. You guys will be seeing that from beginning to end, and I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Stay tuned for the videos throughout this whole entire week, and I'm really excited for you guys to see the final wrap up to this week, and that's going to be a special edition of J Talk. I'm not gonna give away too much, but I did do a special interview with somebody that means so much to me, so I really can't wait for you guys to see that, and I hope you guys watch all the videos. Let's just clear this up right now. Your girl Jay is not a professional in any way when it comes to doing these DIYs. This was my first time doing anything like this on the creative end that's actually showcased. Like, I was never good at art class. I'm not even gonna lie, I was never good at art class, but I always had a creative mindset and I always wanted to do something creative, hence why I created my YouTube with makeup looks. To do these DIYs, it was such a stress relief and stuff like that. It just made me feel better, made me feel more comfortable knowing that I made certain things in my room that will be a big part of my room. So you guys will get to see all of that. Some of the videos you will see in a vertical form, because I recorded them on my phone, not really thinking or knowing if I wanted to record them for YouTube. Maybe I just wanted to do them only for Instagram. So some of the video clips you will see in vertical throughout this week, and then some of them you will see in like the landscape form. I hope you guys really do enjoy this week. If you are catching this video later in the week, don't skip to the last video. Do not skip to the last video. Do not pass go. Once again, do not collect $200. Watch throughout the whole week, and even if you're not into DIYs, just still give the videos a thumbs up and let me know that I did a good job. Yeah, I'm really super excited. Like, I'm super excited that you guys, for you guys to see this room. Like, I'm super excited. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, you know, sexes, sizes, whatever. I hope you guys really do enjoy this week of countdown to the big reveal. Once again, do not judge me if you are a professional DIY or if you're a professional, you know, home creation type person. Don't be judging me, okay? Don't be judging me. I just added a layer of Mod Podge on top, but I didn't really get it straight or like an even coat, so you can clearly tell that. So we'll see if I cover this up. I haven't decided yet fully, but you know, we'll get there. As in terms of the cup turned out well. Of course, we are hitting the corner, so that doesn't matter, but the cup turned out pretty well. Totally should have covered up the sides before I did this, but yeah, I didn't. So we're gonna do it now and act like I didn't do it. Well, I didn't do it, but we're gonna act like we're gonna make this work, okay?